friends, students, and enthusiasts. So one more project today that is using MicroPython and Raspberry Pi Pico. So the name of the project we have decided is Smart Bluetooth Control Automation Run Test Project. So how the automation works? So it's basically a very simple automation test run project using Raspberry Pi Pico board, and the language is MicroPython. All right. So first of all, project overview, or we can say it's an abstract. So what we are going to do in this project, that is mobile sense command via Bluetooth, and RP2040, that is Pico board, receives command via HC05. So HC05 is a Bluetooth module, what we have used here. And OLED shows device status, that is, what is the status of light, fan, and motor. It will be shown on this. And of course, we can use three relays, that is, which will be controlling this appliances, that is light, motor, and fan. So I have in my project, I will be showing with the help of three LEDs, which will be indicating whether that three devices are switched on or off. All right, so component required, RP2040, that is a Pico board, HC05 Bluetooth module one OLED screen, that is SSD1306, which is based on I2C. 3-channel relay you can use, or otherwise you can use three LEDs as I will be showing it to you. Few jumper wires, 5-volt power supply. The supply, we can use a battery also, that is 4.2 volts or 3.7 volts battery, which will give you approximately output of approximately 4.2 volts. That also you can use it. All right. So the circuit connections are very simple. That is HC05, that is Bluetooth module. TX is connected to GPIO 5, RX is connected to GPIO 4 of your RP2040. And it runs on 5-volt supply. That also we have given it for the same board. Relay module, or the LEDs are connected to GPIO 10, GP11, and GP12, right? So OLED, as usual, it is connected to GPIO 0, that is SDA pin, and SCL pin is connected to GPIO 1. That also runs on 5-volt. Please remember, for controlling it through mobile application, we need an application that you will find any application will do, that is serial Bluetooth terminal application. So there are so many serial Bluetooth terminal applications available in your apps, that is your Google Apps. And you can select and you can download and you can operate. All right. So this is about this thing. And please remember the commands here. What we have given is L on, that is light on, L off, that is light off in short form, F on, F off, M on, that is motor on, and M off, that is motor on. And also finally, one more command is there, that is all on and all off. So these are the short commands. So how we will test it? First, you power on your system. Pair your HC05 with your mobile. That is, you have to connect it. If it asks for the password or something, to 4 zeros or 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to put. Right? Open Bluetooth terminal that we will see right now and press the button or write on the Bluetooth, that is L on, the automatically it will, the Bluetooth will on. So this is a schematic diagram which I have drawn on your Walkpiece software. And here I have also shown you the live, that is the application, how it will be showing, because I have used a Bluetooth application, that is serial communication application. So I'll be sharing the codes also. Let's go to our lab and see how it is working. We are in our lab. So this is my Pico board. So as we have decided, that is 2 connections I've given it to. This is my HC05. As you can see, the light blink is slower. That means from here, this is my application board. So first of all, this is, if you connect this, when you press on this, suppose I'm just disconnecting it now. I will just disconnect it. So you will find the light is glowing continuously. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to connect it. Okay. So this is connected now. Automatically, it will become slow and it will come slowly. That means it indicates that you are connected. Okay. So here you can write whatever the things you want to run. Before that, this is the relay module I'm just showing. This is the 3 lights I will be for indication purpose. And this is my OLED display. So what are the connection like? 4 and 5, these 2 connection I have connected to my Bluetooth, which is working on 5-volt supply. First 5-volt supply also I have taken it from here itself. That is from pin number 1 of this. Sorry, not pin number 1, pin number 40. And pin number 38 is going to ground. So this is a supply is given from here. Even this is working with 3.3 volts. That is from pin number not 30, but from here it is coming. And right now it is showing light, fan, and motor off condition. So let's motor. I will just write here motor on. So I will just type here motor on. I will write it in capital letters. Let's see what happens. Motor on, and I will say applied. So you can see one light has come here, and on the display it is written motor on, right? The same thing, second command, if I write motor off, here also it is in this also light has come. That means the relay is also on. So I will just right now say that light on. So I will just say light, that is L, that is capital letter L. So I will just write light and on. So here is O and N, right? And L on, I will just say, right. You can see one more light has come over here. You can see here one more light, and the second relay has also started. So likewise, I can switch it off. I can make it switch it on, and I can operate with the help of my mobile apps. For IoT project, this is a good project. And for learners, that is, please remember, we every time do project based on Arduino IDs and Arduino boards. This is MicroPython language, and we are using another board, that is Raspberry Pi Pico. So there is a difference. So students, I want that you should be trying this. That is 3 devices, 3 light or relays, and it will be reflecting on the screen with the help of your terminal. That is whatever serial terminal for Bluetooth you are using, you can use it. So this is a very simple project, and I will show you the codes now. This is Thorny ID. In Thorny ID, I have given this code name as mini remote.py. Okay, and there are one more file. That is SSD1306 compulsory, because I am using a display over here. So these 2 files you have to compulsory put together. So first you will select this file and just run it. Okay, after connecting your board, and then you take this main file. You can write main file also. So I've not given as a main file name. So you can write main.py also, and you can run the code using this code. So I will be sharing, and you can see on below it is showing you what is on and what is off. All these condition will be shown in there. So I will just show you once again. So suppose light on is there now. I want to do all off. Suppose I will show you all off. So that also I can do it. That is, I will show you A double L, right? And off. Right? And I'm seeing it. So everything is off. As you can see, it is coming all off. So these are very simple codes in MicroPython. What are the things and all? You can just kind of Bluetooth control 00, light, fan, and motor, 3 things we are controlling here. You can add more. So these are the permutations, that is on and off. When become high and low, these are the status, and it will be showing on your screen also, as well as it will be showing on the display also. So this is a very simple project. You can try it by yourself. I'll be sharing the course with you. Certainly you can try it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.